Welcome back to the honey-do list. In this week's episode, we're going to install the Nest Thermostat. Stick around to see how it goes. So, got the Nest Thermostat for Christmas and been kind of curious of how to get this thing installed. I watched a couple videos on it and talked to a few of my friends that have it installed already. And it sounds like the instructions go, cut the power to the thermostat, pop the front plate off, take a picture of the wires to see how the colors go, because sometimes the colors that the builder of the house used is not the colors how they're actually in the chart, hilariously. So take a picture, then fully remove the thermostat off, do any sort of touch-up paint that I need to, because I did notice this kind of has a plate around it, so it kind of makes me nervous. So I went down and got some paint, then pop the back plate of the Nest on, screw it to the wall, put the colors according to the picture we took, not the color of the wires, and then just pop the front of the Nest thermostat on there, turn the power back on. Will it work? I don't know. Let's find out. So we ran into a little bit of a problem. I don't own a screwdriver that is the tiniest amount to get into these little holes. So we're going to figure that out.
And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. Wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom, don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you be dim. With my music, I see. Yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see. Yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are.
All right, so we're all finished up now. Got the Nest all hooked up on the wall. Little bit of an interesting time doing it. I had read the forums and watched a couple videos, and everybody had been complaining about this C-wire, their unit not having one. So when I took a picture of it to start with, I thought that it had a C-wire in there. So when I hooked this guy up, I plugged it straight into a C-wire. Got everything painted, put on the wall, and turned the unit back on, and nothing. Like, absolutely nothing was coming out of it. Went and read the instructions and just sat and thought for a second, and then went back and looked at that picture, saw that it had an RC wire. So my mistake. Definitely make sure you pay attention. It didn't hurt the unit or anything, but had to turn it back off and plug the wire into the right spot, and all systems go. So a little bit of a learning exercise for myself. I think the paint came out pretty well. I ended up having to sand a little bit after I got done, so the sheens and the paint would kind of match the wall pretty well. So overall, really excited. The wife really seemed to like it. So let's see how this thing goes. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, make sure you like and subscribe at the bottom.